Right, this is Nick and Rob showing passing of the ball using the 2 metre square. Just light touches so the ball gets across to the 2 metres, and then you can use left or right foot. If you're not comfortable with your left foot, it's always good one to try. And just keep it going like that. Brilliant. Good one to play with your brother or your sister or your mum and dad if they're willing to help you out.